Welcome back to Auto Info Master. Today we're diving deep into one of the most luxurious and high-performance vehicles of 2026, the Mercedes-Maybach SL. If you're someone who appreciates the perfect fusion of elegance, power, and innovation, then you're in for a real treat. The Maybach SL is a vehicle that redefines what we think we know about high-end sports cars, blending the excitement of a Roadster with the comfort and sophistication of a luxury sedan. Let's talk about the design. First, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL continues the legacy of its predecessors, combining iconic elements with fresh modern details. With a wide, low stance and sharp, aggressive lines, it immediately grabs attention the moment it hits the road. The front grille, now even more pronounced with its vertical slats, embodies the essence of Maybach's luxury, while the aerodynamic design ensures that the car cuts through the air like a breeze. The headlights, featuring the brand's signature multi-beam LED technology, add to the dynamic presence of the car, while the smooth, sculpted body hints at its powerhouse performance capabilities. Inside, the SL's cabin is a sanctuary. The moment you step inside, you're greeted with the finest materials money can buy. A combination of hand-stitched leather, real wood accents, and brushed metals offers an inviting and luxurious atmosphere. The seats are ergonomically designed, ensuring that every drive is as comfortable as it is thrilling. Advanced climate control and a multi-zone system allow you to personalize your experience, while the state-of-the-art sound system ensures that your favorite tunes come through with crystal clarity. Mercedes has also incorporated the latest technology. From the high-resolution digital cockpit to the intuitive infotainment system, it's a perfect blend of tradition and innovation, offering both cutting-edge technology and the unparalleled craftsmanship that Mercedes-Maybach is known for. But let's not forget about performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Maybach SL is nothing short of a masterpiece. Powered by a turbocharged V8 engine paired with a hybrid electric system, it delivers a mind-blowing 700 horsepower. This allows the SL to accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.5 seconds. Whether you're cruising down the highway or pushing the limits on a winding road, the Maybach SL offers an exhilarating ride thanks to its advanced suspension system and adaptive driving modes. The 4MATIC all-wheel drive ensures that the vehicle stays glued to the road no matter the conditions. Safety is always a top priority with Mercedes-Benz, and the 2026 Maybach SL is no exception. Equipped with a range of active safety features, from lane keeping assist to adaptive cruise control, the vehicle not only helps keep you safe but also makes driving more enjoyable and less stressful. The car's autonomous driving capabilities are impressive, and it can handle certain driving situations with minimal input from the driver, letting you sit back and relax as you glide down the road. What sets the 2026 Maybach SL apart from its competitors is its attention to detail. Every inch of this car has been meticulously crafted to offer not just a car, but an experience. From the glowing Maybach logo on the rear to the soft closed doors, every feature is designed to make you feel like royalty behind the wheel. The technology within the car is intuitive, not overwhelming, ensuring that even the most advanced features are easy to use. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL is the epitome of what a luxury roadster should be. It's fast, it's beautiful, and it's packed with innovative technology and top-tier comfort. Whether you're looking for a car that can handle the track or something that will make you feel like a king on the open road, the Maybach SL delivers. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest in luxury automobiles. Thanks for watching.